Hello, welcome to another video. Today we are experimenting with nature dye. My level of knowledge in this area is really basic and I want to improve it by practicing. I sometimes get so caught up searching for tutorials on YouTube or ideas on Pinterest before doing any craft, but I want to practice the mindset of think and do. Because even if we think all the information we need it's on the web, we lose more time consuming than actually doing. I hope this inspires you to just do. If you're wondering, I live in Puerto Rico, that's why even though it's winter, it looks like spring. I decided to pick up just whatever it caught my attention. I will be posting the photos of these flowers and leaves with their name as a post on the community. I boiled a cup of water and then added the flora, just like making tea. This one is my favorite one. It's just a withered kind of flower, which I knew it was going to be great. I've used it in some of my journals already. I also added coffee and onion skin. I love this neon pink. I wanted it to work, but you will see. I had some cotton fabric and I used them. These are dryer sheets. These are awesome. They pick up the color pretty well. I pour it in here to add some larger papers. Take into consideration that I'm just dropping them in for about a minute, so the colors might change when you do it if you leave them for more time. I decided to wrap the papers just as people do when they're done with t-shirts and fabric, to see if they ended up with different patterns. These ones I only did it with dirt, coffee, and poinsettia. So here's the result in the watercolor paper. I hope that you can see, but some are really light, but this poinsettia flower was awesome. Here's the result with the dryer sheets. I love how it turned out in the fabric. So here's the result on copier papers and other type of papers. I knew they were gonna be lighter because I didn't use any mordant. I'm really in love with this green, really vibrant green the poinsettia left. Now let's unwrap this. These papers aren't completely dry yet. I folded them so tightly that some parts didn't take the ink, but that is okay. That looks really nice. I might let them dry and maybe iron them. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you're wondering what to do with these papers, you can use them in your journal. I use them for collage, inside pages, and the fabric, I use it as tabs. Hi, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like journaling, crafting and nature, please subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.